In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon account country. This is really useful if you've moved to a new country, you're traveling, or you simply want to access a different Amazon storefront to see products and prices that are specific to that region. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you're signed into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. There, you should see a small flag icon that represents the country your Amazon account is currently set to. Right next to that flag, you'll also see a short code indicating the language, such as a EN for English. Move your mouse over this area with the flag and language. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor over it. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for an option that says Change Country Region. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Change Country Region, Amazon will load a new page specifically for managing your regional settings. On this page, you'll see a drop-down field that shows the country your Amazon is currently set to. This confirms the region you're using right now. Click on that country drop-down. A list of available countries and regions will appear. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the new country you want to switch to. This might be the country you currently live in, or another region whose Amazon catalog you'd like to access. Once you've found the country you want, click on it to select it. After selecting the country, look for a button labeled Go to Website. This button tells Amazon to take you to the version of the site for that specific country or region. Click Go to Website. Your browser will now open the Amazon website for the new country you selected. The layout will look very similar to what you're used to, but you'll notice changes like local language options, currency, and region-specific products and deals. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Amazon account country. If you ever want to switch back or choose another region, just repeat these same steps. Hover over the flag and language at the top right. Choose Change Country Region, select a new country, and click Go to Website.